Hey guys, welcome to the 2018 MCAT preparation questions. This is question 29 in this series. So today's question is this one here. As usual, have a look at it, pause the video, try the question out by yourself and see how far you can actually go with this question. All right, so what we have is we got a quadratic equation that looks quite ugly, but what we do know is one of the solutions is P. All right, so the next part of this question says if the other solution is a multiple k of P, then find M in terms of P and K. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. When you have in a quadratic, right, if you have a solution of, say, for example, 2, then you know one of the factors is going to be x minus 2. Okay, now in this case, it actually tells you that one of the solutions is P. That means one of the factors is actually going to be x minus P. Okay, because remember, when you put this equal to 0, you're going to get P as a solution. Now the second part of it is we also know that the other solution is a multiple of Kp. So if you have Kp here, multiple of K of P, you can actually say that that's just Kp, right? Which means the solution there could be, or would be, is x minus Kp. So I'm going to write that here, that multiplied by minus Kp, and there's my quadratic right there. What I do know is that this quadratic is equal to x squared plus mx plus n. So we need to expand the brackets in the left hand side. So when we do x times x, that's x squared. X times negative Kp is negative Kpx. Negative p times x is negative px. Negative p times negative Kp is positive Kp squared. And that's equal to x squared plus mx plus n. And I believe the first thing that we've found is we've actually discovered what n is. N is actually equal to Kp squared. So we can actually write that at the bottom there. We can actually say n equals Kp squared. And as for the mx, you got to look at so mx, m is the coefficient of x. But in this case, on the left-hand side, we've actually got two x's. So we need to actually factorize this so that we can actually figure out what m is. So the x squared, I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm going to leave it as it is. But with these two terms here, I've got x as a common factor. So I can rewrite this as, what else can I take? I want to have it as plus. So I want to have it as plus x, which means inside it, it's going to be negative Kp minus p. And then it's going to be plus Kp squared. So all of this is equal to x squared plus mx plus n. And as we said before, we've already figured out what n is. That means for m is the coefficient of x. In this case, this entire bracket is the coefficient of x. So we can actually write m is equal to negative Kp minus p. And that's your two solutions right there, folks. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. And of course, if you have any questions, pop it in the comment section below. But apart from that, I always forget this part. Actually, I think it is this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video.